welcome back to the channel. So today we're back with another video, and today I will be featuring RPGshow Lifestyle. Big shout out to RPGshow Lifestyle for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have a designer layered side part wig. This is a dark brown wig with blonde highlights, and it is in a wavy texture. This is a lace frontal wig. She's 200% density, and I have her in 16 inches. So on the website, you can purchase this wig from 14 inches all the way to 20 inches, and bleaching options are also available. So this is a 13 by 6 Swiss lace front wig, 6 inches all the way to the back, and I can do 6 inches across. So I show you the parting space in detail. So this wig has endless opportunity for hairstyles. So in this video, we did style her a few different ways. First, I show you her in the side part. Being that the wig was already layered, I did very, very light dusting to the layers. So I didn't take too much off the hair. Plus, I wanted to keep some of that length. So we did a side part with waves. I also show you this in a center part with some like beach waves. And then at the very end, I put this wig into a very high ponytail. So I have quite a few different wigs that I have worked with RPGshow Lifestyle on. So I want you to check out that playlist at the end of the video. Definitely check out the playlist with a variety of different wig styles, selections, cuts, colors, all of that. But for those of you that know, RPGshow Lifestyle has classy, polished looks. Another thing that I love about this company is you're able to wear their wigs completely glueless, and that is what we did in this video. I did tack down my ear tabs for the high ponytail, but for the rest of the video, we did a glueless install. The lace is so flawless, you do not need glue or spray. And with that being said, that is going to help with the longevity of the wig because you won't be putting so much product in there. Custom designer ready to wear wig. You can customize her to your preference on the website so that when she arrives, all you have to do is put her on your head. So check all the links down in the description box. All the details will be down below if you want to purchase this wig. And I want to give a big shout out to RPGshow Lifestyle for sponsoring today's video. Big shout out to y'all. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Kept the Galleria open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little badina. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. I bet you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, dirtied up a couple on the north side. Text you but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby, hold tight. Touch the city with the Jeep blood stainers, and we got adopted by some fifth ward strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was.